Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. Claudia here. I recently purchased my first taping extensions from cliphair.co.uk, so I wanted to do an unboxing and share my thoughts on the product with you guys. Just before we get into the unboxing of the product, I wanted to talk a little bit about the company itself. So the company is cliphair.co.uk. Ordered from them several times now, and I love their clip-in hair extensions. Keep in mind, a lot of their clip-in hair extensions come in a thinner wefts. So if you have thicker hair, you do have to consider that when you order their product. Now, they do bring a lot of pieces and the price is great, but just keep that in mind. If you have thicker hair, order your first set of clip-in extensions, see how many grams come in each set, and then from there evaluate if you'll need more. I usually use one box of the clip-in extensions and they work great. I do have to use each piece that comes in the set because the hair is a little thin, but it's a great price and great quality product. I've been ordering from them for the past 2 years. So can't complain there. The product's always on time. The company is in the UK, so for shipping, I always get the express shipping, which comes with DHL and is super fast, has the tracking and everything, and is always on time. And depending on how often you wear the hair, it's very long lasting. It can last you from 3 to 6 months, depending on wear. Usually for me, as a daily wearer, mine's usually last about 6 to 7 months. They do last a very long time. So if you're not somebody that wears them that often, they will last you a really, really long time. So I have no complaints from the company overall. So I'm very excited to open up the new taping extensions that I got. So this is what the product came in. Usually I get a box. Well, most recently with my orders, I've been getting boxes from them. Usually they come in a box. This box is a little used because this is my box that I've been using and storing them in. So usually they come in a little box like this, super cute. This time they came in this packaging. So I'm going to open these up. This is what the product looks like. Just tape-in extensions, tape hair, 22 inches, ice blonde. So they're all divided into 40 pre-taped wefts. They're fully washable and 100% Remy human hair. So let's open these up. That's what it looks like. This is the ice blonde. I love the ice blonde color because it doesn't have that yellow tone in it like the 613 color. So that's great because you don't have to worry too much about having to tone the hair. So when I first get my hair colored, I do use a toner T18 to tone it, and I leave that on for a couple of minutes so it gets me that little bit more icy blonde and not as much yellow. And then over time, as you wash your hair, it gets a little yellower, but I do use purple shampoo and things like that just to keep a little bit of like the yellow colors away. But I do like a little bit of yellow over time, so I don't mind it as much. This in this packaging, this is the color. Gorgeous color. And these are 22 inches. They feel super soft. The ends are cut, very nice, super soft. This is what a single weft looks like that you can see the thickness. This is one single weft. You can see there's no split ends or anything. That's when you can see that it's really good quality hair, when you don't see a lot of split ends. And then you can just imagine this kind of weft together. Oh, I got multiple pieces here. 2 pieces here, kind of stuck together. So this is what it will look like if it was weft together. So this is what it will look like on. Then you have this one, and then you have the second part. It's supposed to be 40 in total. I'm loving this. It feels super soft. So definitely happy with my purchase. And you can see it has the nice tape right on there. And while I'm here, I wanted to share a couple of products that I've recently, one I purchased for the first time and another one I repurchased, and they're for hair extensions as well as for your own hair. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. This is one of my favorite products for hair. This is one of the best leave-in conditioners I've ever tried. It definitely works well and it's worth the purchase. And this will keep your hair silky, makes your blow drying process much easier. It's just like it says, it's a miracle worker. A product that I just got in the mail, which I got based on this YouTube video that I saw. I saw this girl make a YouTube video on taping extensions, and she recommended that it's good to have a good leave-in to use on your taping extensions, and just kind of like a refresher over time, you know, something. She gave amazing reviews, and she was also a stylist. So I purchased this product. It's the Pravana, the Perfect Blonde Seal and Protect Leave-In. This is what it looks like. And this is made for blondes. It's great because I think it has a little bit of like purple in it, just to keep your strands refreshed, and at the same time it does a little bit of toning. So this is supposed to be a leave-in, and it keeps the extensions and the hair nicely hydrated, as well as I think it does a little bit of toning as well. I'm not sure on that part, but this is great. Then I looked online, I ordered it on Amazon, I looked online and saw amazing reviews on it as well. And since I am now going to be in the tape and extension game, I really wanted to get something that I can, you know, spray and refresh my hair. I love the smell. Now you do have to shake it a lot before, because the product separates. I wanted to mention in my next video, I will be reviewing a new headband wig that I got in the mail. So stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.